Question 8. A farmer has 24 meters of fencing and wants to fence off a rectangular field that borders a straight river. It needs no fence along the river. What are the dimensions of the field that has the largest area? So let's look at the solution to this question. You can have the rectangular field that borders on the river. These are the rivers. We can give this place letters. You can call this one X. You can call this one X. You can call this one Y. Okay. There is an instruction here. It need no fence along the river. So you can't fence this place. Okay. So that's the only place you can fence. So the first thing to do now, 24 meter of fencing. That will be the perimeter of that fence. And perimeter of rectangle, this is not a complete one. This place is not close. It's not there. This place is not there along the river. It's not fenced. So the perimeter is going to be, we have the 24 meter equal to this place plus this place. That's what? That's 2x plus what? Plus y. That's our constraint. The area of rectangle is xy, and that will be equal to what? From here, we can make y. We can make y the subject. That's 24 minus 2x. So area will now become, substitute your y here. So we have this one times what? 24 minus 2x. So the area as a function of x now is now 24x minus 2x squared. So from here, you can get the differential of this. That will be 24 minus 4x. So at the critical point or the tuning point, this is equal to 0. And that implies 4x equal to what? 24. So x is what? X is equal to 6. Then we can get the second differential. The second differential, that will be equal to what? That will be minus 4. Okay, which is what? Which is less 0. So that means the second differential, the tuning point is less 0. That shows that 6 is a maximum point. You can get the other variable from here. You can get the other variable from here. So we have 24 equal to 2x plus y, and that's equal to, where do you have value for x? So that will be 24. 2 times 6, that's 12 plus y. So y is what? Y is 12. The dimension is 6 and 12. So that's that on this question.